I want to help you feel strong and powerful today. I'm Krista Oakes. I am a yoga and meditation instructor, a speaker, an author, a mindfulness coach, and each Monday I like to share with you a Mindful Monday, a tip or an inspiration for living a mindful life. And today I want to support you in feeling strong and finding your strength. And you can do that on your mat with the very powerful warrior pose. In warrior, you're in a split stance. However you want to get there is fine. And I want you to think of the feet almost like on railroad track. Sometimes when that back foot comes back a little bit, we deal too much with balance. And so I want you to find a comfortable place to put your feet, to plant them on the earth. And warrior postures are very grounding. Think of a warrior out in the field, right? They're very connected to the earth. So you want to feel your feet pressing down. In warrior, we go low in the front knee, and that back leg, you want to try to activate that back leg so that it's super straight and super strong. And begin to activate the muscles of the leg so you gather up the strength from the earth. You feel strong in the center of the body. And then you can do whatever works for you with the arms. You can bring the hands here, you can bring them up. It doesn't matter what you do with the arms. But the idea is to root those feet down, to lift and rise up through the body so that there's a softness in the upper body, but a strength and a power in the low body. And when you can accomplish this posture, when you can get into this posture, it is incredibly powerful. It makes you feel like you can tackle the world. It makes you feel strong. So when you ever need a little boost, when you need a little strength in your day, try warrior pose and see how you feel. I hope you have a wonderful, strong day. Namaste.